Alright, this is what happens, isn't it? I just got an order from deliveroo for some dead £3 order. But here comes the big boy one from Just Eat. What are they saying? Just Eat, what are they saying? Stop bringing off in my ear, man. It's pissing me off. £6.20. Oh, McDonald's though. Oh, bro. We'll do it. We'll do it. I can't be bothered with this little £3 thing then, man. So I'd be doing that on, I don't know. For £2.90. I don't. It's only because I was going that way. It's the only reason. Ah, look, they're not even here. See what I'm trying to say? He's not even here. What? 15? Bro, I ain't doing this. You stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. Oh, come off here, you're contacting me already. Thank you. Have a nice evening, bye.
It's easy to take away. Yes, big brother, how are you okay?
How are you? Okay. Thank you. Follow Park Road, really? Again. Oh gosh. 7 o'clock. We're out here with an hour left. We've got an hour left till 8 a.m. where the 25% per order extra is finishing. Where we'll be delivering any order that comes through, we're going to accept it. Any order that comes through, we'll be accepting it. So we're just going to head off into Brixton now, where our patch is. Let's say we're on a Just Eat acceptance rate of 40%, which is not good, so we probably won't get much orders from Just Eat. That just depends how many drivers are out here, because it doesn't look like there's many drivers out here or riders out here in the morning. So. Oh shit, who's crashed their car here? Look, someone's crashed their car. Wow, that's not good, is it? Oh, that's a bad one. That's a bad one. He's hit the post. He's actually kicked. This is why I've got a camera, because of all the shit that's happened. I've come off my bike because of a car turning where it shouldn't have been turning. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is absolutely nuts. He's gone off and hit that middle barrier. Oh. Look, you can see the concrete's fucked. The concrete, chipped out the concrete. And all the plastic that's on the floor. Oh my gosh. Yes. Let's have a look at the car. Just left the car, they're not staying with it, are they? Oh Yes, my people back with an order. This is what I'm trying to say now. McDonald's, just again, walking distance down the road, but the same order that the same order that Just Eat would have
given. So don't come and tell nobody that we don't know nothing and we ever achieve nothing. We are the greatest inventors.
Would have gave £3.30, 44.
That killer.
Just standing there like an idiot. But if I never moved, that bus would have licked me, bro. My backside was sticking out. Oh, we've got to do this. Where's this shitty tag? Where's the tag for deliveroo? No, like, do you have to check in?
Yeah.
Oh, is it there? Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. Lovely. Thank you. Appreciate it. There's drinks in this order. Is there drinks? Yes. We have a Sprite Zero. I've had too much grand's worth of bags gone missing now. To work these legs. Oh, pass, Lawe, pass. All sorts of sounds in Brixton. Israelites. Oh shit, we can't filter that. We've got people shouting outside the station. Then we put up. We've got another order from Just Eat. This guy's on a mad one. Look at him. Oh, we need to accept this quick. We need to accept this quickly, bro. Come on, man. What are you doing? We don't want to miss this again, do we? I'm missing orders out here now. What's going on? £3.89. Not that far. So yeah, we'll accept it. £3.89. We're moving up a bit. From £3.30s. Oh, where's this? Where is this? Where? No, we're not here. Lovely. Make sure I don't spill no drinks. 67. It looks like, I don't know how that's, they must have not packed that properly, look, it's a bit fell out.
Oh,
sorry about that, mate. I appreciate that. Yeah. Hopefully it's alright. 67 you said, yeah? 67. Lovely, have a nice day. I hate spilling drinks, man. No, we're not gonna rate this delivery, we're gonna put it down because we spilled drinks, so we've this lighter area is taking difficult journey. See, they've got all these options, yeah? Something else, we have to write something else. Rubbish pay. We have to write that down. Rubbish pay. Let me just send that through. Thanks for your feedback. Yeah, you take the feedback, but you don't take it on, do you? You don't take it on board. It's the thing. You're still, it's not their fault. I was in the shop the other day. They gave me an order for £2.90 in the shop. And even in the shop, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing that. Yeah, I just don't want to go too far if I've got a slow puncher because I won't be able to make it back. Oh, this car is pissing me off, man. I do hate stupid drivers. Like, what are you doing, man? Slowing down so much. Here's another one, look. What are we doing, man? Hello? Now we've got a puncture. Thank you very much. How many punctures have I had in this back tire, back wheel? Please tell me. I lost count. It's so annoying. So annoying. Halfway to the order, something's got into my tire. Yeah, anyway, it happens. It's life. We take the L, as they say. We're gonna take the L on this one. Justy was saying, do you want to keep the order or not? We're going to do a countdown. 7, 5, 6, 2, 1, push. Nah, we can't keep the order, bro. You want to walk there. Like, I'd be about an hour. Anyway, we got out, we saw a bit of sun. Didn't we? Got to record. We're going to put this on. This is content, this is content for the, oh gosh. This is content for the YouTube. What that driver was doing, bro. Doing some, like he's driving a spaceship.